Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my sister is going to be doing this makeup look right here, as like you saw in the thumbnail. So if you want to know how to get it, keep on watching.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing this look right here on Pinterest. I don't know who the person is, but it doesn't say. But yeah, we're doing like a, it looks really bright on the camera, but it's more like
purplish,
yeah. Okay, for the eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional
micro
micro brow pencil in the shade. What shade is this? Chocolate.
Should we zoom into my eyebrows, or is that good?
No, it's not this. Her eyebrows don't look that good, but we're gonna curl them out, and that should make it more.
10 times. Are you gonna use my concealer?
No, I'm just gonna use the foundation, so it won't look that bad. Start on the eyes, and to prime them, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. So, you don't mind her brows, they're not the best, but whatever. And then to set that, I'm going to use a shadow from the Tarte Pro palette by Tarte. I'm going to be using the shade right here. It's a very, I don't know, it's a very nude color skin tone. So we're going to be using a random brush just. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Tarte Pro palette. And I may use some colors from the Modern Renaissance. So for the transition shade, we're going to be using Innocent and Chic, is that how you say it? The second shade right here, and the shade down here. And we're going to be using them mixed up. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe Morphe M441. Okay, on the same palette, I'm going to be using the color Mod, this pink color. You can barely see the color of the eye. But let's just put this straight on the crease. I'm using this Wet n Wild flat shader brush. Okay, and then to go more into depth, we're gonna be using no filter.
Hashtag no filter.
And a little tiny bit of drama right in the center of the crease. And we're not gonna go up, we're just gonna leave it like right in the socket. Take that mod color and kind of like blend it out. We're gonna be using another clean shader brush from Tarte. Just a tiny bit to just blend.
That's on my hand.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Subculture palette just for one shadow. And I'm going to be using this really deep purple All-Star and go right into the crease. just a little bit with this, I don't know, this brush that, I don't know.
We got it from Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon. It's like a really small brush, just like that. We're gonna go right into the crease. Look, it's like really pink.
Oh, it looks different on there.
I know.
Should we take Harry
We can go with this one. Look. Okay, for the center glitter, we're gonna use the Naked 3 palette, just one shadow. And I think I'm gonna go in with Buzz. It's like I'm gonna be using this brush that comes in with the palette. And I'm gonna use the flat brush, the flat side. Going on the outer and the inner with a very dark black color, or it can be brown, whichever. Okay, so we're gonna clean out all the fallout. So she just moisturized with the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for combination skin. We're gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation.
Shade.
In the shade, is this dark for you? Warm beige. And I'm gonna use the Ria Techniques foundation, whatever. And for concealer, I'm going to be using that same Maybelline that I used for the eyes. Bro, I hate the lighting here. Okay, to set that under eyes, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London transparent powder. Okay, to set the face, I'm going to use the Fit Me powder with a brush we got from Amazon. It's just a fluffy brush.
Shade 25.
Okay, to bronze up the face, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer in the shade. I don't even know. Does this even have a shade? I don't think it does.
Just a Hoola.
Yeah, I don't know if they have shades. And I'm gonna be using I don't even know, a Physicians Formula blush. You can't see it, but
Where did you get it from?
there you go. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lash line now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those transition colors that I did last time. This one and this one. Okay, just to make it, I was gonna say poppable. To make it a little bit more...
Probable?
No, like, to pop it, what? I don't know what to say. To pop it a little more. To make the look more... I don't know. How do you say it?
To make it pop? I don't know.
I'm just gonna go ahead and say okay. On the center, I'm gonna be using this color pop. Okay, this color pop. Okay, stop.
You said color?
Okay, I'm gonna calm down.
Have some water.
Shut up. Okay, calm down because I really need to get this over with. Okay, I'm gonna be using this.
Stop.
You
make
okay.
it like, yeah. Okay, go.
I'm gonna be using this color pop eyeshadow in the center of the eye in the shade Set to Sun, right in the center, to make it pop more. Pop.
Wait, Rosie's in here?
Yeah, or the base.
To make it more poppable.
Shut up.
Let's see right word.
Mascara.
Roller.
And you have to be careful. I mean,
Can I just apply this?
No, I'm gonna do it. And you're
I'm gonna
then look down. I mean. So we're gonna be putting on some lashes. Doesn't matter which one, honestly.
Just put on your
and I'm gonna be
favorite.
using the Salon Perfect lash glue. You don't have any, do you? Okay, we're just gonna use from the Modern Renaissance. These two on my finger and highlight her nose, her bridge. Okay, so we're finished with the look. I think it came out really good.
Compared to the picture.
Okay, hold on.
Oh. What are you doing? Did you get my lips? We have to make a thumbnail.